said, "O Iblis, get down from this paradise, it is not for you to be arrogant here. Get out, for you are of those humiliated and disgraced." Iblis said, "Allow me respite till the day they are raised up, day of resurrection." Allah said, "You are of those allowed respite." Iblis said, "Because you have sent me astray, surely I will sit in wait against them, human beings, on your straight path. Then I will come to them from before them and behind them, from their right and from their left, and you will not find most of them as thankful ones, they will not be dutiful to you." Allah said, "Get out from paradise, disgraced and expelled. Whoever of them, mankind, will follow you, then surely I will fill hell with you all, and O Adam, dwell you and your wife in paradise, and eat thereof as you both wish. But approach not this tree, otherwise you both will be of the Zalimin, of unjust and wrongdoers." www.islambasics.com. Then Satan whispered suggestions to them both in order to uncover that which was hidden from them of their private past before. He said, "Your Lord did not forbid you this tree save you should become angels or become of the immortals." Satan swore by Allah to them both, saying, "Verily I am one of the sincere well-wishers for you both." So he misled them with deception. Then when they tasted of the tree,